Hello my dear YouTube friends, and welcome to a new video. I wasn't gonna do a video about my moped oil change, but I decided to do it last minute because I figured it would be helpful for some of you guys that don't want to go to the shop and spend $50-$60 just to change the oil on your moped, where you can spend $10 for just the oil. So for this moped, it's a 50cc Chinese scooter, and I haven't changed the oil on this one for a pretty long time, and it's been sitting for a while. I recently just changed the carburetor. I bought a new one from Amazon and it started. The old carburetor was very dirty because it's been sitting with the old fuel, and when you have this moped sitting with old fuel, components will start going bad. Okay, so I had to change the carb. I put a new one, and next thing that I'm doing, I'm gonna change the oil. So to change the oil on this, you guys have to it's right here, so let me show you guys. I already removed it, but what you guys want to do, this is a number, it's a socket number 17. You grab your ratchet and then you will loosen up this bolt right there. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You're just gonna I already loosened this one up, so it's loose, but I want to show you guys how this looks. Okay, so this is your filter. Make sure you clean this. If you have some brake cleaner, great, or you can just use a rag or some paper towel. Make sure this is clean. Okay, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna screw it back in. Make sure you use the recipient to make sure you don't spill the oil on the ground. You guys will put the oil cap back in the moped. Make sure it's tight. Okay, and now the kind of oil that you guys will use is gonna be either 1540 or 1040. It's gonna be motorcycle oil. Okay, and you only need about 700 millimeters. Okay, so it's gonna be less than one of these bottles. Okay, you guys want to use a funnel. Okay, make sure you use a funnel so you don't spill the oil everywhere. This one, it's not the best, but it should do. Now you guys want to start with 50 millimeters, so half this bottle, like half a quart. This is one full quart. But all right guys, so we want to start putting the oil. It just sprinkle a little bit, so it's a little bit wet. Okay, we want to start putting, this is 500 millimeters, half a quart. So I'm gonna pour most of it in. Okay, I got this bottle here. Oh man, it's pretty dark, huh? Okay, never mind. All right, my friends, make sure you put the drain plug back into the moped. Make sure it's tight. Okay. All right. And then we'll just add some of this oil. maybe this funnel is not ideal. Let's try again. Okay, so I think it's good. Let's clean it. Let's try it again. Maybe it needs more, but I'm gonna grab a different funnel. All right, I look for another funnel and I do not have another funnel, so we'll just do it with this. It's not ideal because it won't go all the way in, so we'll just have to pour it in slowly. Otherwise it will overflow and come out. Man, this sprinkle rain has been on and off today. It's pretty annoying. Let's see. Where's my rug? I cannot find the rug. Let's see. Okay, it's not overflowing. Okay guys, so let me show you right now. So I think that's good. So now just put the oil dipstick and cap back in, and then make sure you clean everything up, and let's get the moped started. Now guys, before I get this moped started, one thing that I recommend that you guys should always have is one of these CDI. So this is like the computer of the moped. It goes right here. Let me show you. It's right there. And these are parts. Most of the time they're Chinese. Okay, so and they do break a lot. If they get wet, they break. If they get too much heat, they break. So most of the time, like 90% of the mopeds that I've been seeing with issues not starting and similar issues just cranking and not starting, it's gonna be this part right here. They're only $10 on Amazon. I think I got two for 15, which there is pretty cheap, and it will save your moped. Okay, so make sure I'm gonna put it on the link on the description so you guys can get one of these, and you guys can also get a carburetor. I think it was only like $15 too, the carburetor, which, you know, like you get one of these for 10, you get a carburetor for 15, pretty much, you know, you can get a new battery, and 90% of the time this will make your moped run again. You change the oil and you have a pretty solid moped. Okay, I'm gonna jump start it right now because this battery is no good, so I have to jump start it. I'll just use my car. Yes, you can use your car to jump start it. It's not an issue, guys. It's the same voltage, so you guys will be just fine. Okay, what I do recommend you doing is doing this with the car running, so you get more voltage on your battery. So I'm gonna turn the car on. This is my car. I'm changing the headliner right now. Let's see if I can get this started. I need the key, which I think it's inside. I'm gonna go grab the key and get this started. Alright guys, so I got the car running and this is charging. Just alright guys, after a few tries, I started the moped. As you can see, I had to jump start it with my car because my kickstand is not working, and that's gonna be my next video, how to fix the kickstand and how to put the cover. I'm also gonna service the transmission, so if you guys subscribe to my channel, you guys can see my other videos. I'm gonna leave the playlist for all the videos for this moped. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you guys like this kind of videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you on the next video.